can feel the heavy fascination. The more I fight it, the more trouble I'll be in. I'm desperate for solid ground. I'm needing you to quit pulling me.
Hey, good morning guys. It's another day of vlogging. Just woke up. A Thursday, a school holiday, so I do not have anything on my plate for now, so we are gonna vlog. First thing in the morning, I am gonna do an unboxing for you guys. Set you up in there. So what I'll be unboxing today is an electric toothbrush from the brand Smartsonic Pro. First of all, this part of the video is sponsored by Smartsonic Pro. I linked their website below, but they didn't say they're gonna send 2 toothbrushes. Look at that. The black, matte black, which I really love as well. I love blacks and white. And the pretty pink color. I love this kind of pink. Wow. Oh my goodness. Very handy. You can bring this when you have a trip somewhere because you charge it once and then you can use it for 60 days. Oh, this one. Wire for charging. This is where you place the toothbrush on so you can charge it. See? Charge. So that's the charging cable. The toothbrush head. You'll have 4 of these ones, right? So this will last a long time. And then you have this one. Yeah. Okay, so let me just clean this one. Silicone type bristles at the back of the toothbrush so you can brush your tongue. There. See, you can brush your tongue, and then at the front I have 4 of them here. One thing I love about Smartsonic Pro is that every 30 seconds it'll pause to let you know it's time to switch areas in your mouth. Each mode takes 1 minute and the clean mode automatically turns off after 2 minutes to tell you that you're done brushing. I don't know if you can see that that's clean, and then there's white, there's polish, there's gum care and strength. I'm actually using this combination, the strength, gum care and clean. So you can change it by pressing this one, and don't forget to brush your tongue. Really cool about that too because it's really waterproof. First of all, I haven't tried any electric toothbrush before, so it's definitely life-changing for lazy people like me who wants to have their teeth deeply clean. So what I love about this one is it's waterproof, it's very efficient in cleaning your teeth, deeply cleans your teeth, and you have different modes so you can choose from. You can mix and match up to 15 modes. So how you do that is just by, I'll just show you, pressing this one, and you can see the modes are on. So there's clean, white, polish, gum care and strength. So if you choose another mode, so you just click on that, like, so that's white and strength, and then it works like that. So you just press on this if you want to change the modes. It should do the job for you. Use these ones for cleaning your tongue. Right now I think they're on sale, 40% off I guess, so grab yours now. I'll leave the link down below so you can choose whether you want the pink one, this one, the pink T11. I have the T11 unit. They have different units. Comes with a case like this for when you travel. You can also choose the black. So there's just two colors. You can also choose the black one. In T11, the same thing. Comes with this one. 4 toothbrush heads per box. So you'll get 4 of this one. You also have this case. More of a solid case. The other one was more like a soft leather. This one's a solid case. You can put your stuff in there. I'll link it down below. Check it out. It's my phone cases. I love my black casing. This is my first and my true love. But sometimes I want to switch it up. So this is how it looks. Wow. There you go. Pink and one in like dirty white color. There you go. Well, it's too pretty. I'm gonna show my sister because she really loves pink. There you go. I'm just gonna take a few product shots for the toothbrush and then drink my coffee, and then we're probably gonna head to the gym. Okay? So you just stay in there.
I've been looking for an answer in your inner eye. I've been pulling back the curtains of your paradise. I've been killing all my instincts in the suicide. I've been killing all the instincts in the suicide. I've been holding to your words like I'm a kid again. I've been waving in your face just so you won't forget.
Gonna go to the gym. So these days I've been going to the gym on my days off. So that's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But sometimes I work Thursday night, so it can be a bit messy. Usually go to the gym very few times a week, but at least I go to the gym, right? Today I'll be doing ab workout, so I switch it up. I do ab workout, and then the next day I do arm workout, and then the next butt workout, and that's it. And then I go back to abs, arms, and then butt workout. Yesterday I did my butt workout, so today I'll be doing my ab workout. I'm gonna show you what I do. It's not very fancy. I just mostly need a mat. I don't use much of the equipment for the abs in the gym, but we'll see later if I use some of it. So I'm just gonna take you along with me so you can see my routine. I don't know if you even care. This is just what works for me.
about you all the time, babe, 24/7. I wish that you could say the same, but it's not ever mutual. No, it's just the usual. I care too much, you don't care enough. I'm kinda used to it by now. I don't expect return. I willingly allow myself to give what I deserve.
My nails are very long and my feet, so I'm just gonna do them myself. Have here my stuff. So this is just, you should have a base coat, but I'll be bothered. We have this one, just an insta dry one, and I have my nail polish remover, cotton, and then my nail cutter.
Appreciate me now. Tell me, what am I staying for? I'm good at acting like I'm fine, and then I write these songs, but I can get over dramatic, and I'm the one who's wrong sometimes. But if you could reply and just once, that'd be enough. I respect that you have a life, and
Guys, I'm done with my nails. They're not the best, but they will do. I'll show you. Can you even see? But I'm just gonna try a collagen drink. I already tasted the other flavor, so I have the strawberry flavor. I've tried this with you and it's really good, so highly recommend. It's yummy. But now I want to taste this one. I didn't find this before, but it's the natural berry flavor. It smells good. Drink. Syrup. I would say it tastes just like the other one. They're really good. It's just like drinking juice, and it's filled with collagen. Pinkies up. I'm probably just gonna chill for a bit, watch K-drama. I've heard so many good things about Hometown Cha-Cha. Maybe I'll watch one episode. Yeah, I'll see you.
Melody, I just need to find my way. So when I fall behind, just give me one more day to regret the word I could never say. I'm drowning with
Today we'll be cooking garlic shrimp pasta. So the ingredients will be pasta, of course, butter, shrimp, pepper, chili flakes, salt, garlic, parsley.
stare at the rain on my window. I feel the tears coming soon. You're lying next to me, and I guess I've been lying too. We had a fire that became smoke. Breathed it in till we both choked. Thought that love could be enough for the both of us, but I know that just ain't true. I found the courage today, so please don't ask me to stay, 'cause I can't keep holding on to you and me. But it's so hard to see how I'll stop loving you, loving you, loving you. There will always be a little piece of you that's left with me, that keeps on loving left your keys in the bedside drawer. We put this off for way too long, and now it hurts just that much more. There comes a point when you realize that together don't feel right, and giving up don't mean my love is gonna leave when I walk away. I found the courage today, so please don't ask me to stay, 'cause I can't.
Oh my goodness.
Hard to see how I'll stop loving you, loving you,